abamenyi b'ensemo ya Burabu bastabire kwebekanye nasobokia kugwaterana no muroberi bwo kwayana na kibesa cya CDF ase abarokibo b'ekikuru aho aya nararenge amangana yo mu cyumbe Uburabu ben mumanyi ekararenge gukora okwachenu ase chinsemo cya Kijauri Nyansiongo na Manga moji kitu na tarete chinsemecho na kwarira ni roboti rukubwatia
na sensemo yebunge ya Burabu asa bamenyi nabo igwa kichukura bechinsemo cyonsi cya Nyansiongo Kijauri Manga n'ichinsemo kinde babotestie umujumbe w'enseme yo obotinya nabo igwa ko rusiti ubikirora se chinsemecho eri konya wokinya ebirengo by'obachenwa se chinsemecho mujumbe w'enseme yo ben mumanyi ni gatebete muna inenseme ntangani irega sikonyara kubayo kuruna constituency development fund weteno kubatsuko kwa bamenyi b'enseme yo kurenta obachenwa sorogongorwo enseme na goso yikiombe kiri kurenda abintu bitotana ine kemanyikante muna nema na asego chukinya na boyo chindo chira sorogongorwo.
What our Burabu constituency, both the university and the colleges, that we should clean our main centers. And we are doing about 4 today. We have done Nyansiongo, Manga. We are now going to Chebelat, and then finally we go to Mokomoni Market. We decided that instead of being idle, we dedicate this day in making sure that our environment, our markets are clean. We are cleaning the markets and planting trees at the same time.
Ase okuruwa we chibasari gose chibesa chirichi banyara ko bachikuruwa ne CDF yensemo yobunge ya Burabu nigo mumanya ko bagurwa okuyisanikirwa gucyase bari baciganitinga nachunyara ko bakobeka imerobyo ya bene eri kumanya abana abaene kurwa sensemo yobunge ya Burabu nabo igobadaganiriye ko egwa chibese cyo ensemo nabande banyara ko bagutebekana goswa sensemo yo yebunge gutana nabantu abange baroro bekonyara chibese cyo asenchire taringia.
You know, my constituency is a bit unique in that we have people from every part of Kisii. So at times we find that some students sneak in and benefit from our CDF kitty. What we have now decided to put, we have put a stop into it, in that we have ourselves generated forms from our office, which forms we will give to our students and which forms we will now use in allocating CDF. And I am personally going to make sure that I sit in the office for 1, 2, 3 days and go through all the forms and sign those forms myself. So every form, everybody who is going to get bursary this year, that form must have my signature. They are taken normally to chiefs and assistant chiefs for their recommendations. Then they come to the constituency office, and then we give out the bursaries. Now what we have done, we have made, like now all the university students in the CISA ward have registered with us today. So all the forms that are going to come will counter check with the list that we have, so that we are able to identify our bona fide students who are going to benefit from our bursary kitty.
Nararenga sensemo yobunge ya Burabu nande nasogo chokinia amagendera yorongorwo gorwo tari manege tinge TV maleta na Gilbert Kobi.